How to add YouTube channel link on Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the channel link. So let's go ahead and do that. For example, I'm going to copy the link of this channel right here, and once you do that, you need to go back and open up Facebook, and then you go to your profile page, and here you can see that it says at the information section you have a button that says edit public details. So click on it, and here you want to scroll all the way down to where it says links. Click the add button next to it. Here from the first section, the social links section, click on add social link, then select the platform to be YouTube, and here you can paste your URL right here, and once you do that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen. Once the info has been saved, you can go back and you can see that your channel has been added right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a YouTube channel link to your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.